Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how you can set up Samsung Cloud in Samsung Galaxy A17. So let's start. First you need to go to your settings, then tap on your Samsung account. From here scroll down and here you will see Samsung Cloud option. Tap on it and from here you will see all the apps which are enabled for the backup, and this option means this app is disabled for the backup. If you want to enable it, simply tap on it and it is enabled. Then if you want to restore your data, tap on restore data, and from here your previous mobile data will appear here. If you want to backup your data, tap on backup data, and from here you can backup all of your data. Tap on backup now and it will take few seconds to backup. Now as you can see, our data is now backup, so simply tap on done. Now go back. Now your backup data is safe on Samsung Cloud. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in next video.